If I factory reset my PC, will I get rid of any unknown virus? Yes, a factory reset can remove most viruses by wiping your system and restoring it to its default state. This eliminates common malware like Trojans, spyware, and adware, which often hide in installed programs and system files. However, some advanced threats, such as rootkits, BIOS UEFI malware, or infections hidden in external drives, can survive a reset and reinfect your system. To ensure complete virus removal, it's best to wipe all drives, including external storage, reinstall Windows from a trusted source, and scan your system with updated security software. Additionally, updating your drivers and firmware after the reset can help prevent vulnerabilities that malware could exploit. Always be cautious when reinstalling software or plugging in old USB devices, as they could reintroduce malware. A factory reset is a strong step, but taking extra precautions ensures your PC is completely clean and secure. If you notice any of these issues, take action immediately to remove the malware and secure your system. We have already created a step-by-step tutorial to detect and manually remove any malware from your PC. Watch it too. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.